Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video on healthy eating on a budget, tips and tricks. Many people believe that eating healthy is expensive, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we will be discussing some simple and practical tips to help you eat healthy while still staying within your budget. Tip 1. Plan your meals. The first tip for healthy eating on a budget is to plan your meals. This will help you avoid last-minute purchases and impulse buys, which can be more expensive. Take some time each week to plan out your meals and make a grocery list. Tip 2. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk is a great way to save money on healthy foods. Look for bulk bins at your grocery store for items like grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. You can also buy larger packages of meat or poultry and portion them out for several meals. Tip 3. Shop seasonally. Shopping for seasonal produce is a smart way to save money on healthy foods. These items are usually cheaper when they are in season and can be found at farmers markets or in the produce section of your grocery store. Tip 4. Cook at home. Cooking at home is not only healthier, but it can also be more cost-effective than eating out. Invest in some basic kitchen equipment, like a good knife and cutting board, and experiment with simple recipes. Tip 5. Choose cheaper protein sources. Protein can be one of the most expensive parts of a meal, but there are cheaper sources that are just as nutritious. Consider plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, and tofu, or opt for cheaper cuts of meat like chicken thighs or ground turkey. Tip 6. Use leftovers. Using leftovers is a great way to stretch your food budget. Plan meals with leftovers in mind, and consider using them for lunches or incorporating them into other recipes. Tip 7. Shop generic or store brands. Generic or store brands can be a great way to save money on healthy foods. Compare prices between brands, and consider trying the store brand for items like canned vegetables, grains, and canned tuna. Tip 8. Don't shop when hungry. Shopping when hungry can lead to impulse purchases of unhealthy, high-priced foods. Eat a snack before heading to the store to avoid temptation. Tip 9. Grow your own produce. Growing your own produce is a fun and cost-effective way to eat healthy. Consider starting with herbs, which are easy to grow and can add flavor to your meals. Tip 10. Use coupons and sales. Using coupons and shopping sales can help you save money on healthy foods. Look for coupons in the newspaper or online, and keep an eye out for sales on items you use regularly. Eating healthy on a budget is possible with these tips and tricks. Plan your meals, buy in bulk, shop seasonally, cook at home, choose cheaper protein sources, use leftovers, shop generic or store brands, don't shop when hungry, grow your own produce, and use coupons and sales. With a little bit of planning and effort, you can enjoy healthy, delicious meals without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching.